How to recover your username on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have forgotten your Capital One username and can't log in, then don't worry. Today I'll show you step by step on how to recover it so you can get back into your account. First, open up your browser and then head over to capitalone.com. Then go to sign in option in the top right and it will open up a new page, and here you can scroll down and find forgot username or password. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will be asked to enter your personal information. You'll need to put in your last name, your social security number, and your date of birth. And once the identification details matches, then your system will help you find your account. Capital One might ask you to verify your identity. Usually, this is done with a 6-digit code sent to your phone or email. You just need to type that code in and prove that it's you, and then your username will be shown on the screen. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.